Welcome to week 1 of hands-on learning subscription science. We're going to make straw rockets today. So these are the materials you're going to get in your kit. You're going to have a rocket template, a straw, a pencil, and then some bonus materials we'll talk about later. That's a pipette, a balloon, and a rubber band, and some things you'll have to have on hand at home, some tape, scissors, and possibly a meter stick or tape measure. Okay, welcome to week 1 of Send Home Science. Today we're going to be making straw rockets, and we've got Emmett and Gavin helping us out today. So they're going to start off by building their rocket, and then we'll talk about how to fly them. All right, here we go. Okay, first thing we want to do is you get your rocket template, and you're going to get your scissors, and you're going to cut out that rectangle. You'll notice there are actually 2 rocket builds on the template. You're going to need for one rocket, one of these rectangles, and then 2 of the fins. So you can actually do this twice. So start right now by cutting out your rocket. Okay, when we're done cutting it out, there's what we've got. We've got the rectangle and the fins, and if you wanted to cut both of them out, you have 2 sets. Very good. Okay, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna put your rectangle around the pencil, and you're gonna tightly roll it and keep it straight as possible as you roll it along the pencil. And you should end up with a tube or like a cylinder. And then when you're done, you're gonna tape it shut. Okay, now we're gonna add the fins to our rocket. So what Gavin's gonna do is take these little fin cutouts, and he's gonna tape the rectangle that's in between the 2 triangular fins, and he's gonna line it up with that cylindrical tube of what will be his rocket body. When he does that, he's gonna line up the bottom of that fin piece so that the fins do not extend past the bottom of the rocket tube. He's gonna do that on that side, and then flip it over and do it on the other side. Now that Gavin's got both fins taped onto his rocket tube, he's going to bend one fin on each assembly up about 90 degrees so that we have 4 fins sticking in 4 different directions. So he did it on that side, and then he's going to do it to the other fin on the other side. Okay, now that we've got that done, Gavin's going to slide the tube of the rocket body off of the pencil, and he's going to twist the end of it to make a little nose cone. And then if we need to, we can put a little tape. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot some air through here to make it fly, and we don't want the air to escape out the top. So we're gonna do that, and then maybe add a little tape to the tip. Okay, so we got our finished rocket, and what Gavin's gonna do now is he's gonna take the straw out of the wrapper. The straws are in wrappers, so they are coronavirus free. Okay, so now Gavin's gonna show you how to launch it. He's got the straw in there and just gives it a nice big puff, and the rocket goes flying. There's Angel. So what we saw was the basic launch with the straw, and you can make this a design challenge by shooting for a target. You can make a little target and do an accuracy test. You could do a distance challenge to see who can make the rocket, or how you can make the rocket go the farthest distance possible. Or if you're a little more advanced and know how to calculate velocity, distance traveled over time, you can do a speed challenge, see who can get the greatest velocity on their rocket, or what modifications you can do to make it go faster. Other than that, some other challenges you could do with this, and included in your kit, you're gonna get a rubber band, a balloon, and this is a pipette, this little squeezy thing, and puffs air out. So you can get those, and you can try to design some other kind of launcher. So that's what you're gonna get. And you can even step it up, and we're gonna show you the bonus launcher for the large scale version of the straw rocket. Okay, as a bonus, we're going to show you this one. Gavin's basically doing the same thing we did before with the straw rocket, except now we've got a PVC pipe, and he's got a piece of paper, and he's wrapping the paper tightly around the pipe like that. And when he's done, he's going to tape it. Okay, as a bonus, we're going to show you this one. Gavin's basically doing the same thing we did before with the straw rocket, except now we've got a PVC pipe, and he's got a piece of paper, and he's wrapping the paper tightly around the pipe like that. And when he's done, he's going to tape it. So he's gonna slide it off the PVC pipe. He's gonna pinch the end to seal it. And he can just fold like a little triangle, however he wants. Make a little, all right, that's perfect. And then tape it shut, seal it. And if you want, you could tape a penny on the top of it to give it a little more weight. We'll just try it without it. All right. And then we'll show you the launcher for this bad boy. So this is our big scale straw rocket launcher here. So we got Gavin, he's got his safety gear on, and let's just go through this. Basically, we got some PVC all put together in a series here with a valve. And on this end over here, we've got a fitting for like a bike tire valve, and it's hooked up to a hand pump. And so basically what we do is we pump that thing full of pressure, and then when we get enough pressure, we open the valve, and the rocket's there on that tip, and we release the valve, and it should go flying in the air. So Gavin, why don't you pump away, my friend? Keep pumping. 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, now he's gonna get in position. We got that red valve there. He's gonna turn that. Thanks everybody for checking out the video. Enjoy making your straw rockets, and if you have any questions, please send us an email.